If the door on your Gorenje WE723 washing machine stays locked after a wash cycle, it's usually because the machine's safety system is still active. Front-load washers automatically lock the door during washing and spinning to prevent leaks and protect the internal drum. Sometimes the lock remains engaged if the cycle hasn't fully finished, water is still inside the drum, or the washer needs a quick reset. Fortunately, unlocking the door typically requires only a few simple checks and a short wait for the safety mechanism to release. Try these. Step 1. Press the Start Pause button to ensure the wash program is completely paused or finished. Step 2. Wait 1 to 2 minutes for the door lock system to disengage automatically. Step 3. If the door remains locked, select the drain or spin program to remove any remaining water. Step 4. After draining, press pause and gently pull the door handle to see if it unlocks. Step 5. If it still stays locked, turn off the washer and unplug it for about 1 minute, then restart the machine and try again.